Hi, I'm Karen Brown, President of HipSaver Canada. We're the Canadian distributor for HipSaver, the world's leader in hip protection. Along the way, HipSaver was asked to develop some outerwear garments for people who maybe didn't want to use underwear all the time, or maybe didn't want to be bothered putting so many layers of things on. So a few years ago, the SoftSweats were developed. They look just like regular SoftSweats. They've got a nice open design at the ankle, nice elastic waistband, little pocket, very natural. They come in 4 different colors: navy blue, a medium color gray, khaki, and camouflage. They're also available in a shorts version. Now, in terms of the options for the SoftSweats, they will come available with optional tailbone padding. You can also get knee padding for these, which is a very unique feature. If you've got somebody who tends to fall forward on their knees when they fall, think in terms of people who are able to grab a wall or a door and slide themselves down. That's a great option. I've also sold knee padding to people who like to garden a lot just because they like their knees protected. But they're very comfortable. We have several clients who actually wear them as pajama bottoms. So that works. HipSaver SoftSweats are not particularly expensive, but I guarantee you they're abundantly comfortable. Men seem to like these in particular, I think because men aren't used to dressing in layers the way we women are quite as much. The other outerwear product that we developed is called HipSaver Interim. Now, the Interim was developed for an acute care market with hospitals using short stay days for their patients. There seemed to be a bit of a yuck factor in dealing with underwear that had been worn by other people, even though all the hip protectors can be washed to infection control standards. An outerwear garment seemed appropriate. So these are essentially jammy bottoms. They're cut to a capri length. They're not fancy. They come in all 6 sizes, but there's no tailbone padding. There are no other options available. They're a nice cozy fabric. I'm finding a lot of application for these in long-term care. So for people who are admitted on weekends, for instance, they might not have a chance to assess them in the rehab department till the middle of the week, yet they want to mitigate their risk associated with somebody who may have a history of falls. If you also consider people who aren't normally a fall risk, but when they get a cold, maybe they get a little loopy in their inner ear. I know I always have a day like that. So they might be a fall risk just for that day. Also think in terms of people who are just back from the hospital having had surgery. Anesthetic does weird things to all of us, but to somebody who is elderly, it can have effects that last a little longer. So mitigating the risk with this is a great idea. We also have people who wear the underwear versions during the daytime, but at nighttime they just want to cozy into something. So the HipSaver Interim is a perfect choice for that.